gaseous exchange at the lungs and the body tissues. Gaseous exchange happens when gases diffuse from an area where their concentration is high to an area where their concentration is lower. The difference in concentration between the two areas is called the diffusion gradient. Gaseous exchange in the lungs. In the lungs, the alveoli, air sacs, are surrounded by a network of blood capillaries which carry deoxygenated blood from the heart. Air rich in oxygen is breathed in and reaches the alveoli in the lungs. Oxygen moves from an area of high concentration in the alveoli, across the alveoli wall and the capillary wall, to the blood in the capillary which has a lower oxygen concentration. The oxygen moves along the diffusion gradient and blood in the capillaries gets oxygenated. Similarly, the carbon dioxide concentration in the blood capillaries carrying deoxygenated blood is more than that in the alveoli. So, the carbon dioxide diffuses across the capillary walls and across the walls of the alveoli along the diffusion gradient. The carbon dioxide is breathed out, exhaled. Thus, gaseous exchange happens continuously as the flow of oxygenated blood in the capillaries and flow of oxygen-rich air in the alveoli is constantly replaced. Gaseous exchange at the body tissues. Gaseous exchange also takes place between the body cells and the blood. The arteries containing oxygenated blood, on reaching an organ, branch into smaller vessels called capillaries. As the concentration of oxygen is higher inside the capillaries, oxygen diffuses along the gradient through the capillary wall and the cell membrane into the body cell. Carbon dioxide, produced during respiration, is present in higher concentration in the body cells than in the blood capillaries. Carbon dioxide moves along the diffusion gradient into the capillary. The capillaries reunite to form veins and leave the organ carrying deoxygenated blood.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Nasky to help you. Anytime, anywhere.